Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're learning to drive a manual car for the first time. Well, kind of second time ever. I want to have it down today. We are taking a look at a Supercharged FRS owned by my buddy Alec. You guys have seen him in videos before. We're just going after it. We are filming, we are driving, we are learning to drive a car with 3 pedals. Very thankful to Alec, who is trusting me with the FRS today. So we're on the way to his house, be there in about 5 minutes. I'll update you guys once we get there. I think he just washed the car for us too, which is awesome. Gonna be learning on a sick car today. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff like this, hit subscribe. We just hit 11,000 subscribers, so thank you very much, everybody, for the support. We're gonna meet up with Alec, and we'll catch you guys in a sec. We did a video with this car where we went to Hell, Michigan. So if you guys recognize the car, same one. Wanted to get a quick walk around of the car while it's beautiful and clean, and just kind of go over, I guess, a little bit about it, right? So it's supercharged, which obviously is aftermarket accessory.
Yeah, it's got the HKS supercharger kit on it with just the stock 91 tune from them. Again,
featured in a few videos on the channel, but today wanted to get it out and ripping.
Main thing, probably the supercharger HKS kit. Had it on there for about probably 2-3 years. No issues with it. Tracked it. Nothing but good things to say about the kit. Just running the stock tune that comes with it for 91. Makes about 250 wheel now, I think. Never dynoed it, but that's what their dyno sheet says. The headlights are stock, but I took them apart and spray painted them all black, so kind of like an OEM plus type of look. Obviously the wrap, purple. It's been a couple different colors. Probably gonna stick with the purple for a little bit longer. Just did the wheels, plastic dipped white. Came out pretty sweet. The fender garnishes are different, just classic black ones. Got a little roof spoiler going on there. The carbon ducktail on it. And then these are the Valenti sequential taillights, and they're a special edition where they're gold on the inside rather than just being like black or red or anything. Exhaust, I have an NVIDIA N1 catback, and then I have the NVIDIA catless front pipe, and then stock headers and stock overpipe. NRG wheel, quick release, different shift knob, and then I have the dashboard from the facelifted 86 and BRZ.
One person in the back seat of this car before,
yeah, but there's not a whole lot of leg room. No. Trunk space is great. Fill all the Bud Light and Essential Genio to go have a lake day and whatnot. But,
perfect.
As far as people, yeah, pretty much a 2-seater.
Yeah. Beautiful Michigan day. And horses. Wood plank. Doing a little launch.
All right, ready?
I'm ready. All right. She boogies. We're gonna hop out switch spots and I'm gonna learn how to drive a thing with 3 pedals. It's been too long. Today is the day. I guess I'll just hand Alan my phone and he's just gonna record what happens. That's today's video. So I am learning how to drive manual for the first time. It looks like somebody's trying to drive for the first time over there as well. So we're not alone. We're a couple beginners here in the parking lot, but we're going to attempt what's called a first gear entry. All right.
So clutch
you're in neutral.
Yep.
Clutch all the way in.
Yep, all the way in.
And then just.
And then shift into first, and
first?
then yep. And
You sure?
Did you? Yeah, you didn't pull up on that, did you?
No, I didn't pull up.
All right, yeah, you're in first.
I'm in
So
first.
now take your
Foot
foot
off
up.
the brake?
Yep, still on the clutch though. Keep the clutch all the way in. And now as you slowly let the clutch out, slowly get on the gas.
That's not slow.
Yeah, that's fine. It's just hard because it's like loud. But like,
Oh my god.
yeah, there you go. Now just keep letting the clutch out more, and then let it all the way out, and you're in gear. And there you go. Now if you want to go second, push it in, pull the second.
I know that.
Or you
I'm
can
going
stop.
clutch all the way in. Oh yeah, I should probably stop. Huh? Probably turn. Oh, we did it. We did it though. We did it. All right.
Alright. So now you want to come to a complete stop, clutch in. Oh, okay, so yeah, now you're still in gear. So now if you want to do start again.
I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna do a turn. I think.
All right.
We're gonna try that.
Yep. So clutch in,
All the way. Okay,
Yep.
brake.
clutch all the way in.
All the way in.
First gear,
First.
off
Foot
the brake,
and then.
and roll onto the gas. Yeah, and it's so you can feel it starting to catch.
Yep.
So now you can take your foot off the. Oh, yep.
Easy does it, Kevin.
So now keep going. Just keep driving.
Just gonna go straight?
Yep, you're into a loop. So now keep going. Push the clutch in. Pull this back, and now let the clutch out, just like you did the first time. And now you're in second.
Oh yeah, baby.
Maybe stop right here and we do it again.
Okay.
Practice. So clutch in.
Clutch in and neutral.
Clutch in, neutral, and then you take your foot off the clutch and just use the brake like normal.
Oh, yeah. All right.
So like now you can just
I'm literally following this person who's learning to drive. We're doing the same exact thing right now in a loop. This is hilarious. All right. So I'm gonna stop.
Okay.
Clutch in.
Yep.
First gear. Is that first?
Yep. That should be first. So now you like start laying it out more. Yeah. Just do. If you do it, the slower you do it, the smoother it is. But you don't need to hold it like that long. I guess is the best way to explain it.
Second gear.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
So that was good.
Yeah.
We did that, and we have not stalled yet. Knock on wood. I'm gonna try one more time.
Yeah.
Just like first, second.
Yeah. Yeah. So now let it out a little bit more. A little bit. Yeah, see how that was smoother because you went a little slower. You're good. All that power.
What was that?
All that power.
That was just me. Too much gas.
Yeah. Well, you take too much gas and like releasing it like too quick with like.
Okay.
Because like if you rev it too much and then you let it out, it's like it'll like then it engages and drops the RPM, so that makes it. Like,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. I need a smooth one. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Yeah, you got the hang of it for sure. Yeah, so let's let out a little more. Yeah. So now clutch in, pull a second, and just yep. There you go.
That was pretty rough, but we did it. We're kind of limited as far as like what we can do here, but I think that's pretty much it. So it's like second, third.
Yeah, I say from there
it's
to
the same.
first. If you can do first gear, that's the hardest thing. And then from then it's all the same for every gear until you get to downshifting, heel toe, and all that good stuff.
Okay.
But those are the extracurriculars.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna say I learned how to drive a manual today.
Do I get
a certificate?
I will. Yeah, I would sign off on your certificate today.
Okay. So let me do this the right way too. So
yeah, you're in neutral. Yeah, otherwise it would have stalled. Yep.
And then
just pull that up.
That's it.
Yep. You don't have to push the button. Yep. And now you're good. Parking brake's on. You're in park. Yep.
I like that. I didn't even stall once.
No, never.
I was hyping that up to be a lot harder than it was. I'd say I conquered it.
You did?
I did not stall. That was my second time ever driving a manual car. Some hiccups, some bumps here and there, but ultimately I think that's all the knowledge you really need.
Yeah.
Is how to start. I don't think I could start it on a hill or actually starting the car. heard that's yeah, no fun to learn. But will I buy a manual car? Maybe in the future. Maybe one day. They make S5s and manuals, but they're rare and expensive. Big thanks to Alec for letting us do this.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that was good. And this thing is badass. Obviously, I was not the one whipping on the twisties, but if you guys like the video, want to see more stuff like this, maybe see a manual car in the future on the channel, hit subscribe, stick around. Until next time, peace.